Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download Google Spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. We just need to open our Google Docs or Google Spreadsheet. Sorry for that, it's Google Spreadsheet. Okay, so open your Google Spreadsheet and this is my Google Spreadsheet. Now, how can we download our Google spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel? It's just very easy. Or into Microsoft Excel, look at the ribbon at the top, and here you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the File tab, and here you'll find Download, and you'll find here Microsoft Excel, and this is what we wanted. So simply click on that, and as you can see, it has been downloaded from here. Now simply click on it, and then open it, and there you go. That's it. You have just downloaded the Google spreadsheet into Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.